So this is Gemini IT. We're on site doing an installation at one of the newest restaurants that have chosen Gemini IT 918 for their point of sale provider, along with Tonic point of sale for their restaurant. Just wanted to give a quick overview of how we do installations here at Gemini IT. This is the front counter. As you can see, we have an Android terminal. Payment devices can either be customer facing or cashier facing. Receipt printer, cash drawer. We have our internet failover in place in case the site's internet dies, along with failover Wi-Fi. So we have complete redundancy there in case the internet dies. We also have our main network area here. We try to, as best as we can, face all the switches to where if someone calls in with trouble, we can say, hey, tell us if the lights are on or whatever. But behind there, we have a UPS battery backup. We realize that in a very short period of time, things can get turned around, but we try to document that. Wanted to walk back here and show you a couple of the other terminals that we have in place for this restaurant. That is, again, is chosen Gemini IT and Tonic point of sale. This is a premise-based cloud-enabled point of sale, which means all these terminals talk to each other locally. We don't have to go up to the internet to get print jobs or anything like that, so we're really fast. But here's one of the wait stations, and of course we always put our sticker on there so the end user knows where to call for support and where they got it from. This is a wait staff terminal with receipt printer and payment device. And then, of course, we have another terminal over here at the bar. This fine establishment that's going to be opening up in a couple of weeks and doing all kinds of business. So this is our station over here at the bar. This station doesn't have a payment terminal attached to it we can, at this point, but we can always add one. Then we'll walk back in here to the kitchen. This particular restaurateur wanted a terminal back in the kitchen to allow staff to clock in or just anything back here. So we wall mounted that securely. You can see how we dress up our cables here at Gemini IT, and this terminal is, can be moved around or whatever, to adjust for height. We couldn't get Ethernet cable run back here, so we use high performance Ethernet to Wi-Fi adapters so that the site can so that the equipment can talk to each other. And that's just a little quick overview of a site that is done by Gemini IT. You can see how neat we do things. We want everything on battery backup so that when the power blips, there is power available to print guest checks, get people paid, get them out the door, or at least get their checks paid. A lot of people think battery backups are generators. They're not generators. They are battery backups to give you 15 to 20 minutes to take care of things. So that's just kind of how we operate here at Gemini IT. We'd love to have the opportunity to serve your restaurant, whether you're table service, quick service, pizza, bar, whatever your concept may be, from one store to 100 stores. Gemini IT and Tonic point of sale, we can take care of you. Have a great day.